you surviving or thriving in remote work? There are many benefits to remote work. Reduced commute, greater employee flexibility, increased productivity, lower operational costs, and a larger talent pool from any geography. But working virtually can introduce a number of new challenges. People can feel out of sight, out of sync, and out of mind. Collaboration and communication and building trust while apart are always much harder. Managers, in turn, want to motivate their teams. They want to make sure everyone is productive. Leading virtually requires specific practices, including new technologies and strategies necessary for leading a remote organization. In Remote Work Revolution for Everyone, you will learn to excel in the virtual work landscape. You will learn how to build trust, increase productivity, use digital tools intelligently, and remain fully aligned with your remote team. By the end of the course, you will create actionable steps to relaunch your team, focusing on the new ways to stay connected, be collaborative, and remain productive while meeting your own personal and organizational goals. Remote work is here to stay and will likely be a permanent fixture that transforms many organizations in one form or another. Learn how to thrive in remote work.